Hello guys, today we will do task 9 on page 25 of Invalsi book. Quindi vi farò un brano preso dall'Invalsi book a pagina 25, il task 9. Listen to some people talking about their jobs. While listening, choose the correct answer for question 1 to 7. Put a cross in the correct box. Only one answer is correct. The first one is an example. You will hear the recording twice. You will have 20 seconds at the end of the second recording to complete your answers. You now have 20 seconds to look at the task. Quindi guardate bene l'immagine, avete 20 secondi per guardare a pagina 25 le immagini riferite ai jobs, quindi ai lavori. Adesso ascolterete il brano. Ci sono delle persone che parlano appunto del loro lavoro, descrivendo il loro lavoro, voi dovete capire a quale lavoro si riferiscono. Ovviamente la prima, the first one, is an example, quindi come vedrete io lo leggerò e voi avete già la risposta barrata. Quindi mi raccomando, la potete ascoltare più volte, diremo 2-3 volte, e poi dopo scegliere qual è il jobs corretto, il lavoro corretto, ok? Are you ready? Let's go and start. Woman. I love my job because I help people to have a wide smile. I assist my patients in all their dental needs. Some people come and see me only when they have a toothache. They should come more regularly. Man. When I was a kid, I used to spend a lot of time in my mother's garden because I liked to smell and to look at flowers and plants. Now, growing plants is my responsibility. Dealing with plants and flowers is both my hobby and my job. Man. When I was a child, I dreamed about being a superhero to rescue people in danger. Now I feel like a superhero because I put out fires and rescue people in danger. I'm not afraid of a fire, but I know I have to be careful. Woman. I love animals and agriculture. Every day I get up early to feed my pigs and hens, and then I have to sow corn seeds. Living on a farm can be very tiring, but I love it so much. Man. When I was at school, I used to defend my classmates' rights. Today, I carry on defending people's rights and delivering justice to society. I do not like injustice. Woman. Many people think washing, ironing, cooking, cleaning the house, going shopping, taking care of children isn't a real job. But first of all, I love to do domestic work. And can you imagine a house without my hard job? Man. Not everybody can repair their cars, motorcycles, motors or bicycle, but I can, and I like it. All day I get oil stains on my clothes, and I have a shower as soon as I arrive home. Woman. People think my job is easy, but it isn't. It is difficult to show that you are sad, happy, hungry, tired when you are not. I like interpreting many characters. Now I am working on a great film called Wonder Woman 5. Come and see me at the cinema. Ok, abbiamo finito. We have finished to read the jobs. Now you can record it, cioè ora puoi riascoltare il brano, capire i soggetti che il lavoro fanno e quindi poi rispondere alle domande on page 25. Ok? Have a good job. Buon lavoro. Bye bye.